Saudi Arabia witnessed a spell of strong winds and severe lightning storms on Tuesday, causing widespread damage across the West Asian nation. The cities such as Mecca and Jeddah, along with several other regions, were the cities that bore the brunt of the powerful storm. Videos such as this are going viral on social media platforms that show how intense the wind speeds were, which lifted off the plastic barriers and also forced the pilgrims in the Grand Mosque of Mecca to take shelter. The National Meteorological Center of Saudi Arabia issued a high alert regarding severe weather conditions over the next 24 hours. The weather agency has also predicted thunderstorms along with active winds for other regions such as Medina, Asir, Jazan and Al-Baha. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.